Good day, everybody. My name is Christopher Conley, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to discuss my value converter in Python. In this project, it definitely consists of various values, and you have to convert it to the other, like one to the other, like Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius, and so on. It also converts your length, and it also tries to convert currency. All right, let's get into the program and let's see how basic and fundamental this thing can be. Now here it is, def convert temperature. This is definitely the start of the definition function, which appears in every Python project. But not every Python project always has def in here. And the def definitely stands for definition, which is used to start functions in Python, which is starts object-oriented programming, if you know what it means. So which conversion do you want to choose? Celsius to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Celsius? Then, as I did in JavaScript earlier, but this is a Python interpretation. Int input, then enter your choice. If choice equals to what? Temperature equals to float input, enter temperature in Celsius. And the temperature can be converted to Celsius using the formula. Temperature degrees Celsius could be done like this. So it's temperature in Celsius times 9/5, and put them in brackets, plus 32. Let's say the temperature now is like 40 degrees Celsius. So that would be about 40 times 9/5, which is definitely 360/5, which is 72, plus 32, which would be 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And now, that'll be the same thing here. Enter temperature in Fahrenheit. So the degree in Fahrenheit is 104, then minus it, then it gives you 72, then times it by 5/9, which gives you that same 40 degrees Celsius. And now from dollar to pound and pound to dollar. So enter your choice, then enter currency in dollars, then the dollars and pounds will be 0.78 times the value in dollars. And then from pounds to dollars, it's simply a value times 1.28. So that's convert currency. Then which conversion do you want to choose? Dollar to pound and pound to dollar. Then int input, enter your choice. And these are an if and else statement. So I'll also put it here too. Put it here. And according to one bank website I went to, which is called a bank website, which is called Google Banks, which is used to check in currency. But immediately you search for dollars to pounds, it will just give it to you. So that's how I managed to do all that. So definition converts lengths. Then which conversion do you want to choose? Centimeters to 14 inches or 14 inches to centimeters. So choice, int input, enter your choice, which means you should enter the choice in numbers. If your choice is 1, value equals to float, enter length in centimeters. Well, that means to simply tell you the value, divide by 2.54 to inches. Then to feet, you divide the inches by 12 to give you that centimeters equals to foot, feet and inches. And then also from feet and inches to centimeters, that will be length, feet times 12 plus inches. And then multiply by 2.54, then which is feet, and inches in centimeters will be length centimeters. And so welcome to the value converter. While 1, which option would you like to choose? Convert temperature, convert currency, convert length, or exit? If choice 1 is it convert temperature, if choice 2 is it convert currency, and then convert length. If choice 3, then if choice is 4, print exiting, then exit is 0, which technically means is to exit the entire thing, or else you can print. You can also say the same thing, exiting. So I'm going to run this program in a more fashionable way. So I'll choose temperature. So I'll enter my choice. That will be 4, which is 104. This time I choose 2. So currency. $59.28. So 3 is once. Well, for that one it didn't work, for this one it works. So I'm definitely going to remove that else statement, but still it managed to work. So I'm now going to take our calls immediately after this. I'm going to start off with now. Next question. There's a print formatting techniques, and these are all 5. Which one did we use in the program, and which one do I commonly use in most videos? I would like to pause this for a second because I would like to talk about the print formatting of strings. If you want to format a string like this, you have to input the 3 strings that go in each. But if you want to do it like this, you have to say what it actually means in order to format it. And if you want to do some numbers, you would like to put R as the result. And for this one is definitely popular. I definitely use this in most videos. And then if you put this is a string, dot format, insert it, then you insert the string. These are print formatting of strings commonly used in Python. And they could also be used in JavaScript if needed. These ones are easy. This should be easy. In 3, 2, 1, and here we are. Been explained to you in the video. Now, I'm not going to tell you the answer because I've explained it. The answer is 32. Next one. And I think I'm starting to put 10 seconds instead of 15. Now, as of next video, I think I'll be putting this time as to 10 and not 15. So you can check up with your memory of what I've been saying throughout the video. should have said pounds and dollars. So it's the inverse. So it's pounds and dollars, and number 8 was dollars and pounds. Alright, that's it for the quiz. As I discovered, up to date, that number 9 was supposed to be pounds and dollars, not dollars and pounds. Number 8 was truly fun, but number 9 was simply my fault. Well, that ends that for the quiz, though. Well, hope you enjoyed it. At last. Hey guys, this is Christopher Kalawale in the house, so hope you enjoyed my video for the day. Well, it's simply about Python value converters, and there will be some changes for the next video. The quizzes will now be 10 seconds long each question. So now, in Python and JavaScript, I will be doing a series of videos, and very soon I would like to have that beginner's assessment I was talking about a few months ago. Well, that's it for this video for now. I'll see you guys in my next one. Goodbye, and have a good day.